Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Trading Sensation. Yes friends, in this video I'm going to explain about gold. Yes, and I'll be explaining about COMEX gold. So whenever you will trade in MCX gold or MCX silver, always try to look at the COMEX gold and silver at first, because our MCX gold and MCX silver always follows the movement of the global gold and global silver, which is listed in COMEX. Clear? So that's the main reason I have opened this gold futures of COMEX. You can see this is the weekly chart. So here just watch this particular point. Let me just zoom in a bit. So around this 2011 to 2012 September October, you can see that it had formed four highs. This is the first one, this is the second one, third one, fourth one. So if I consider the last three, so these three highs were exactly around 1800, my friend. Clear? So you know from the theory of polarity that whenever there is a strong resistance, that should act as a strong support as well, and vice versa. Clear? Now let me just zoom out and let me change the periodicity to daily. Here I would like to show you this descending triangle. Let me just explain you this descending triangle in daily. So here you can see that the price pattern, you know that I don't put RSI, Bollinger Band, ADX, moving average, all these things much. I don't use those things much. I always try to focus on the price action. So here you see from the price action, the pattern that has formed on the chart is basically a descending triangle. I have written the name. So there are three types of triangle, you can say. It's a symmetrical triangle, descending triangle, and ascending triangle. There are also converging and broadening triangle, but on broader perspective you should know these three only: symmetrical, descending, and ascending. So let us focus on descending triangle. So here in this descending triangle you will see that it forms, there is a horizontal line. This is the red line which I am calling as the horizontal line, and one slanting line. So when this slanting line I have drawn, just see I have connected the highs. So the lower highs, I mean the second high is lower compared to the first high. The third high is lower compared to the second and first high. So in this way it forms, and the lows is almost at the same level, you can see. So it is around 1850, this red colored line. Yes, so this difference, you can see this is approx 2080, that means 2080, and this one is 1850. So if you just calculate the difference of this height, that exactly becomes the target when it gives a breakdown. Now here comes a beautiful question, that whether it should fulfill that target. Even I don't know, my friend. You should notice 1800. If this 1800 gets broken, then it would come towards this 1680, my friend. Don't get afraid. Yes, if this 1800 gets broken, it should come towards this 1680. Remember the level, my friend. Now let me just show you the hourly chart. So I want to show you that when or where I have executed this trade recently. So you know that I have made a custom tool which I have coded in this Pine script. Now let me just draw one line here. So I got this trade in this particular candle, in this big red candle. I got this confirmation along with the volume. You can see the volume bar is quite high or big compared to the previous histograms. So it automatically signifies a lot of importance. Clear? So, and along with that, you know, my code or my tool also gave the signal around this candle. So I was short from this particular level, that is 1838, and I squared off my position around 1810. Clear? So it was a good trade until and unless 1800 gets broken. Don't short, my friend. Yes, because 1800 is a very strong level, my friend. If it gives a bounce back, then it can be a good trigger point for entry. If it comes down, then you will find that it will come down towards 1680 that I have given the target in the previous few minutes. Yes, so please remember the levels and execute accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.